Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Keeping Up with BB and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a luxury haul, so if that's something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. So I am filming in the evening and the sun is going down on me, so I'm trying to get this last little bit of sunlight. And the first item that I'm going to start with for the luxury unboxing are these pair of earrings. I've already unboxed them, as you can see. I've been wearing them for like 2 days now, and I did get these as a gift, pre-loved, from my boyfriend. And I found them from this website and company called Refashion, and they focus on recycling luxury jewelry, so luxury fashion jewelry specifically. And they're consigners, so they buy jewelry from other people and then sell it. Or consigning is once the item has sold, the person that sent the item in gets their portion of the deal from the purchase. So I'm really excited that I found this company. The earrings came packaged really well, and they sent me this card, and it says, thank you for purchasing sustainably. It's been a pleasure doing business with you, you know, all that stuff. Give your unworn accessories a second chance. And I like the concept of this. You guys know I try to be as sustainable as possible. And if I can get some luxury items at a good price, I'm being sustainable, I'm saving money, it's like, why not? And I did disinfect them with, alcohol and spray hand sanitizer before I put them on. So I'm really glad I got these. They came in this little box with the Refashion on it, and they actually came with a little mini dust bag as well, so I can put them in here when I'm not wearing them. But yeah, I love these earrings. I've had my eye on these Gucci earrings for a while now. I also really like the Gucci earrings that have the larger black crystal on the bottom and then the GG at the top, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for those, pre-loved as well. But just because I think anything over $300 that's fashion jewelry, it's just I'm not gonna pay that much for fashion jewelry is what I'm saying. So I'm always gonna be looking for jewelry pre-loved, fashion jewelry specifically pre-loved, just because it's not fine jewelry, it's not like sterling silver, gold plated, or anything like that. So that's my stance on it, but I do still really like it. So let's go ahead and get into the next item. The next item that I purchased is a bag, and it is this pre-loved vintage Prada nylon drawstring bag. I got this from a trusted Etsy seller, and she provided it with this crossbody strap. And I just think it's really cute. These bright pastel colors are really in for this spring and summer, and I didn't have a pink bag in my collection, and I got a really good price on this one. I think I got this for $175. So I think it's a really good price for pre-loved vintage Prada, and I will show you what it looks like really quickly. Here is what this bag looks like crossbody. It is a little bit of a longer drop, especially once you have things in it. It's not really gonna drag down much, but I mean, I'm just going to show you what it looks like with stuff in it. So this is the current bag I'm using right now. This is my Palm Springs Mini from Louis Vuitton. And I'm just going to show you what this looks like when you put stuff in it. So that's a hand cream. We got a wallet. Got another little pouch. Spray hand sanitizer, and this is a pretty big one. AirPods and keys, just to show you what it would look like when you do have things in it. It does kind of drop down just a little bit more, but I don't mind this length on me. I am 5'7", I'm a little bit taller. I do kind of wish it was a little bit more up here, but I did order one of those acrylic chain straps just to hook here, so I have 2 different options of wearing the bag. So I'll be able to hold it top handle or crossbody, but once I get that, I'll attach it, and then I'll probably just post a picture or something on Instagram to keep you guys updated. But I really love this purchase. I'm excited to use it, and it's just a really casual type of bag that you don't really have to worry about because it's nylon and it's really durable. And I'm just really glad that I was able to find it in pink, which was the color I was looking for, and at a good price. So that is my second item. The third item is another bag. I know, right? Bags, bags, bags. So the third item is another pre-loved item from the Vintage Bar. I have been following them on Instagram for a while now, and I've been wanting to shop with them. But I finally found something on their website that I wanted at a price that I was okay with paying. And their packaging is fire. This is a pre-loved vintage boutique based out of Copenhagen. I think they have an actual brick and mortar store, but of course I ordered mine online because I'm in the US. But this is how it came packaged, really nicely actually. So they have some, this is my authenticity card from them. They are a trusted seller that a lot of people buy from. And I got this right here as well. So I just really like how they give you your authenticity card after they check it, just in case you ever want to resell it, and just to have that peace of mind that you know that this was authenticated. So it is a Gucci item. I just noticed that I had 2 Gucci items in this video, but yeah, let me show you this bag. I'm really excited about this just because I don't have a bum bag, do I? I don't think I have a bum bag fanny pack deal situation, at least like a nicer one. Actually, yeah, I don't think I have one at all. I think I had like a vintage neon one. I just didn't really use it and it wasn't big enough. But anyways, this is what I got. It is the vintage Gucci bum bag, fanny pack, belt bag, whatever you want to call it. Everybody calls it different things. So the back does have this here, and it just says Gucci, and it's in their green and red that Gucci is known for, the stripes. And this is what it looks like. It has a zipper on the back as well. It's actually really big and spacious and has a lot more space in it than I was expecting. And you have this right here. It says Gucci right there on the front. Opens there. And then you have another zip pocket right here. And you guys, I got this on sale for like $160. It was crazy. When I tell y'all your girl was getting the deals this time around, I really was. Oh, and I forgot to mention how much the earrings were. I got those earrings for $160. So your girl loves luxury, but your girl loves a deal too. So let me just show you really quickly. Like, I'm gonna just take out what I had in the Prada bag, which is just one hole, basically one little pink hole. I'm just gonna take all that stuff out and see if all those things will fit in here. The reason I got this is just to have a hands-free bag when I want to be hands-free. And I do plan on going on a couple of excursions this year. And I wanted a belt bag to be able just to put around myself. This is how I plan on wearing it. Just like this, across the front. I think it looks really cool and chic this way. So I'm gonna just put this stuff in there. I'm gonna put my LV Rosalie coin purse in here and my little Dior pouch in there as well. On this side, I'm gonna put in my keys and my AirPods. This pocket is actually huge, and my hand cream. And then on the back, I'll put in my phone. Well, I just realized I didn't put my phone in the Prada bag. And I would probably just have like a smaller hand sanitizer with me because it fits, but I just wouldn't want this like poking on me. So there's everything, and I just love this. I've been wanting this for a while, and it's in great condition. The only thing I noticed was like it's fraying right here a little bit. You can see how it's fraying right there. But I'm just gonna take some needle and thread and just sew it up so it doesn't get any bigger. But for $160, I mean, you can't beat it. Everywhere else, there are no issues anywhere else on the bag. And it doesn't have an old vintage smell or anything. Neither does the Prada bag. And I'm just really happy with this purchase. I'm really happy with the price that I got it at as well. So there's that Gucci belt bag that I am obsessed with. So the very last item in this luxury haul is by far the most expensive item and luxurious item, I guess you would say. I have been wanting one of these bags for a while. I really wanted it in the kiwi color in the mini Jody bag, but I opted to go for the Bottega Veneta Mini Pouch. And I got it from this online boutique, Cultori. I think they have a brick and mortar as well, and they're based out of Italy. But this was the box. Nice packaging. I can't believe I have one of these dust bags right now. So, like I said, I wanted the Mini Jody in the kiwi color, which is like a really bright greenish yellow color. It's not neon, but it's still bright, and I really like that color a lot. But I just don't think the Mini Jody is, I guess you would say, a practical bag for me. I like to be hands-free when I'm out and about and I'm shopping. I'm more of a crossbody bag type of girl. I do like top handles, but I find myself kind of getting tired of them after a few hours. And if I'm going to be spending that much money, I was like, let me just go with the mini pouch first, see what I like, what I think about it. And if I do like this bag, like the quality and the intrecciato, which means intertwined in Italian, and that's what this design is called. It's hand weaved, but intrecciato literally translates into intertwined in English from Italian. And I got it in this lavender color. And with my nails right there, it just looks so pretty. Like, this color is beautiful. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter. It's coming off a little bit lighter on camera than it is in person. This color, like I said, is called lavender silver. I guess just because this part right here is silver. This little hardware that you can't really even see is silver. But this is the mini pouch 20 because it's approximately 20 centimeters across. I love this bag. I think it's really, really cute, and I love the design of it. I love the organic shape of it, and the intrecciato is just beautiful. And this bag in the regular pouch, not the intrecciato, is very dupeable. And that's why I didn't want to go for that bag. I like that bag. I think it's beautiful as well. It's just a plain leather mini pouch. But so many brands, so many companies, so many people are duping that bag, and I just feel like for the money, I would rather go with the intrecciato because it's more distinguishable, it's not as easily dupable, and the quality is just, honestly, it's amazing. I've never touched, seen, looked at a Bottega Veneta bag in real life before. This was my first time, and actually I have seen a Bottega Veneta bag in real life before. My aunt has one, but she doesn't have this style, and I don't think I was touching her bag either. Anyways, I'm going to show you what it looks like. This bag is tiny, okay? It's very, very small inside. So I took that out, and this is their tag from Cultori, and then this is the Bottega Veneta. I guess it's just care instructions and stuff like that. Oh, and this dust bag, the quality of this dust bag is crazy. Like, it's definitely the heaviest, nicest dust bag I've ever owned from any fashion designer house. So the bag opens like this. You can just close it like that. I thought my phone was going to fit in here with ease, but it really doesn't. Based on other videos that I've seen, people were like, yeah, it's like super spacious. No, this bag is not. This is a mini bag. When they mean mini, they mean mini. So I'm going to show you what my phone looks like in here. I just have the regular iPhone 11. I think it's the same size as the iPhone Pro, not the iPhone Max. So I'm going to put my phone in here, but, oh, and it says Bottega Veneta right there, made in Italy. And the inside is leather lined, as you can see, with the same color leather, and I just think that's beautiful. If you're paying for it, the inside might as well be leather lined, and it's just easier to clean. Easier to clean than like a fabric. Anyways, let me put my phone in here. You kind of have to set the phone down in there kind of sideways for it to fit. So, oops. That's what it looks like inside. You have to put it that way or it's not going to fit. You can't just put it on in the walls of the bag. Next, I wouldn't put my keys in there just like willy-nilly because it is a leather-lined bag. I would want them inside of something. So I'm going to put my keys inside of this little Dior pouch. Right now I just use it for my mini perfumes, but my keys fit in there, so I'm going to put my keys in there. So I'm going to place that in there. and it's behind the phone right there. So really, this is all the space I have left. This is it. And that's normally where a wallet would go, but I think my Louis Vuitton Rosalie coin purse, I think it's too big. I'm gonna put it in there and see if the bag will close. So it's in there now. And this is a compact wallet. Like, it's a pretty small wallet, and it looks huge in this bag. So I'm gonna try to close it without stretching the bag or doing anything damaging the bag. And it closes, but you can tell that it's like I really squeeze that in there to close it. And then it'll like open really easily if you have it stuffed, right? So I wouldn't want to use this wallet with this bag. I'll probably just change all my stuff out of here and put it in one of my card holders. I have a Vivienne Westwood card holder that I could use instead, and that's what it looks like. Like I said, this bag is tiny. You're only going to really be able to fit the bare necessities. Let me put like a lip product in here. This is my Fit Glow Night Lip Serum. I'm going to place that in there. And then I'm also going to put my AirPods in there just so you can see what it would be like. And just imagine a very slim card case in there as well. And all that fits perfectly. No issues at all. The bag's not going to open. It's not being forced like closed or like so full to the point where it's going to open. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. In this color, I love it. When I was a little girl, purple was my favorite color growing up. Now it's blue. I still have a love for purple, and pastels are in like crazy. So the cool thing about this bag is there are these little areas where you can loosen these knots, make them tighter, looser, and you can adjust the strap. And I love that so much about this bag. That design is crazy. Like, it's so cool. And this bag was designed by Daniel Lee, who is now, he's the new creative director of Bottega Veneta, and he used to work under Phoebe Philo at Celine. So it's no wonder I like his new stuff. Bottega Veneta by Daniel Lee. But yeah, this is what the bag looks like. And again, you can adjust the straps, make it shorter. I'm just going to pull it up so you can see what it looks like. I would probably wear this bag about here. I'm one of those people that likes a higher crossbody bag. I just do. And you can always take this out and wear it as a clutch. So for now, I'm going to put the straps in there and just show you what it will look like as a clutch. I just stuffed them in there really quickly just to show you. But this is what it would be like as a clutch. It's super cute. I love the size of it, and the color again is great. So yeah, so the sun is setting, but I'm actually surprised I was able to get this whole video filmed before the sun fully went down. Hopefully the lighting is pretty good throughout the video and it's not like any major changes. But yeah, I'm really happy with my little luxury haul. I have been doing more shopping than usual. I've been working hard. You know, your girl was sick. I had COVID. I'm still recovering. I still have some long-term symptoms like taste and smell and stuff like that. And I was just like, you know what? Life is short. And I'm just going to get all the things that I want if I'm able to get them, and still being realistic, thinking about, you know, saving money. I want to be a homeowner one day. I'm going to need a new car soon. So if I'm able to get the things that I want and they're going to make me happy and they're investments, I know that I can always sell these pieces if I'm in a pinch for some money and things like that. But yeah, they just make me happy. Luxury is not for everyone, but I do have a following that loves this kind of content like me. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on your favorite item that I picked up. What are you looking to splurge on this spring? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all next time. This is Keeping Up with BB.